So this second program that you're going to create is very similar to this example. And again, we are working with arrays and lists. So I'm going to copy this one. And there are no methods in this, okay? So it's kind of short. But just to kind of walk you through what it's doing, we have a string and a double array. So our string array is called client, and we have 3 in here. So at index 0, we have Mickey Mouse. At index 1, we have Minnie Mouse. And at index 2, we have Goofy. And then we have kind of a corresponding account array. And at index 0, we have kind of a big number. And at index 1, we have another large number. And then at index 2, we got another number. Okay, so those are the 2 arrays. Then we create a list, and it's called Big Clients, and right now it is empty. But we have reserved space in memory for it because we've used the new list command. Okay, so we got big clients that we've created, and then we use the add method to add Scrooge McDuck, so he's going to be in position 0. And then in position 1, we've added Daisy. And then we create another, oops. And this actually should say list string. That's why it's being flagged. It does not like that. And this should say list double. Okay. So we have another list called big accounts. And at index 0, we have a very large number that we're adding. 234, 324. And then at position 1, we are adding another number. You can see I have my hands on certain keys when I'm keying in the numbers. It's 243. 24324. All right. Then what we do is we take our list and we add in the array. So we now have our client. And so we got big client 2, 3, and 4. And then we've got Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. And then we're going to do the same thing here for the big clients. Got 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to be adding in the values that are stored here. because that is what add range does. And let's get the last one in here. All righty. So we've added those arrays into our lists, and then we go through and we remove. So we're going to remove index 2 from big clients. So we've got 0, 1, 2. Oh, poor Mickey Mouse. Okay. And then we're going to do remove Mickey's money. Okay. And then these guys get renumbered. Okay. And then we go ahead and we print them out, and we are using some formatted output for this. So if I run this, you will see it. Okay. And you are going to be doing something similar. Okay, so you're going to create a program called My Lists. You're going to have two different arrays, a string and a revenue array. Categories, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then you are going to have revenue for each one. You're going to have a new string list you create called menu list. And you're going to add a couple items to the menu. And then you're going to have a new list, double list called revenue list. And you're going to add some values to that. And then you're going to use add range to add to your menu, and you're going to do the same thing for the revenue list. You will remove the fourth item from the menu and from the revenue lists, and then you're going to print everything out. Now, what I would like you to do in addition is clear out the revenue list and then sort the menu list in ascending order. Okay, so that's a little additional step that you don't see in here. So that means that we would be clearing out big accounts. Oops, so it's big accounts, not clear. Okay, and then we're sorting the clients. And then I would probably just use a for each to print them out. Okay. So that's basically what you are doing with this one.